This is Tim from Mind Eye Media, providing a VR video review of JMBricklayer's 3-in-1 medieval weapon brick set. JMBricklayer sent me this kit to review, and I'm producing this video in VR so you can get a better look at this kit and its 3 different builds. This is the box that the kit comes in, which is sturdy and has a nice glossy finish. The pieces come in 8 bags, and I put a Lego minifig here to give you a sense of scale. Even though the bags are numbered, they can be opened in any order to complete the builds. This kit provides all of the parts necessary to construct the 3 different builds, but only one build can be made at a time. The first build I made is the Catapult. The Catapult build includes many excellent details, such as barbs, spikes, and blades, linked chains, and movable wheels. The Catapult also has a working spring mechanism and release lever that work perfectly to launch objects. The set includes parts to make a small projectile, but the Catapult can also be used to shoot Lego minifigures into the air. The second build is the Bombard, which is a type of medieval cannon. The Bombard has many of the same details as the Catapult, but the cannon build is more complex than the Catapult. While I couldn't get the Bombard release lever to work properly, I could still launch the projectile and Lego minifigs out of the cannon. The third build is the Ballista, which is like a large-scale crossbow, and it's my favorite build in this set. The decorative details and movable wheels are included here as well, and I had no problems with assembling and using the spring mechanism and release lever. The set includes parts to make a blunt-tipped arrow, which can be launched from the Ballista. The set also has a target sign that you can use for target practice. Overall, I had a great time with this set. The bricks hold together well, all of the necessary parts were included for each build, and the instruction manual is very easy to follow. If you'd like to purchase JMBricklayer's 3-in-1 medieval weapon brick set, use the links provided in the description below, as well as a discount code to get 15% off of your purchase.